A lot of people are asking for that कि मेरे को क्या अपना सब्सक्राइबर बेस्ड है उसको हाइड करके रखना चाहिए या नहीं. Hey everyone, I hope so you all are absolutely fine, and in this video I'm just gonna tell you or even make you self-aware that should we have to hide our subscriber based or not. So I'm just divided this whole video into two parts. The first part is for all the creators, or maybe a creator on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere, and the second part is all for all the audiences. And if I'm talking about the audience, that we are also audience. I mean, we are also consuming content of some other people. So the second part is for all the people. So let's talk about first of all YouTube. And if you're talking about YouTube and all about the creator, that a lot of people are thinking about that. I just started a YouTube channel. So at beginning, I think I should have to hide my subscriber base so that it is going to have some positive impact on the audience when they come to my channel and watch that. Somehow it may be, but I don't think so. Why people are doing that? Because they are not self-aware, or because you can say that they don't believe on their content. Because see, if you have a belief on your content, whatever you are producing, that okay, people come to my content, they're just going to watch my video just because of value I'm providing, then I simply say that you don't have to hide the subscriber base that you have. But if you don't have a belief that, oh my god, if I'm producing content, if people is not going to watch my video, then what will be happen? If watch time will be not going to increase, if I'm not going to viral like that, then you can do that. But actually I don't think so. And one more thing that I can say, that as I talk about self-awareness, so in this video also, whatever I'm talking about, that is all about the self-experience or the knowledge that I have. So maybe whatever I'm talking about, maybe going to write for you, maybe not going to write for you. So you just have to understand or be self-aware whatever I'm talking about. As Gary Vee say that अगर कोई बंदा 10 काम को एक साथ करने में अच्छा, डजंट मीन कि आप भी उस 10 काम को करने में अच्छा होगे. मे बी आप 5 काम कर सकते हो एक साथ. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. So that is all about. And second part is all for all the audiences, and all the audiences means all the creators and as well as all the viewers as well. Exactly. So you know what, people, what they are doing actually, they are judging creators on the basis of the subscriber base that they have. I mean, some people come to the YouTube channel of some people maybe that have 100 subscriber, and they said, "Arey yaar, is pe to 100 ही subscriber. I don't have to watch that kind of video. I mean, the people that they have. Oh my god, he have only 1k subscriber or 100, 200, whatever they think about." So we cannot judge a people just because of follower base that they have. We cannot judge. Just take an example. If two person have a same content, I mean they are producing content related to technical thing. So one have 100k subscriber, and at the second term you can say that at the second thing, the second one have the 10 subscriber or 100 subscriber. Doesn't mean जो 10 जिसके पास 10 सब्सक्राइबर वो अच्छा कंटेंट नहीं क्रिएट कर रहा होगा, और जिसके पास 100k सब्सक्राइबर वही सबसे अच्छा या वही अच्छा कंटेंट प्रोड्यूस कर रहा होगा. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी, बट मे बी या 100k वाला जो है वो अच्छा प्रोड्यूस कर रहा होगा बिकॉज दे हैव अ लॉट मोर एक्सपीरियंस, एंड जो 10 सब्सक्राइबर है वो कम कर पा रहा होगा बिकॉज उसके पास थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस कम है. डजंट मीन कि वो अच्छा प्रोड्यूस कर ही नहीं रहा होगा. सो one request, this is all about the request that I gonna say that please don't judge anyone just because of the subscriber and follower they have, either that maybe on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and whatever all the social media platform. We cannot judge people just because of subscriber. I mean, it's just think about that we're judging people just watching the subscriber base that they have. What we are doing actually. So that is all about some kind of request for all the people. Please don't do that. And for all the creators, that if you're self-aware, then that's great. If you're not self-aware, you're gonna stuck somewhere. Somewhere. I mean, you're going to see that, oh my god, I'm not getting the attention of the people, I'm not getting more views on my content, and lab. What you are doing actually? What you are doing actually? So at the last, one thing I can say that please, if you're a creator, be self-aware. Believe on your content, whatever you're producing. And एक चीज़ बोलते हैं ना, you cannot judge a book just watching the cover of the book. that is all for the viewers. I mean, you cannot judge the people just by their subscriber base and follower base that they have. Okay, so I hope you got the value. And जितने लोग सब्सक्राइबर और फॉलोअर बेस पे किसी की वीडियो को देखते थे यार, थोड़ा सोचो यार. You cannot do that. Okay. एंड ऑल द क्रिएटर दे थिंक अगर मैं अपने सब्सक्राइबर बेस को हाइड कर दूँ तो मेरे लिए बेटर हो सकता है. मे बी दैट यू थिंक अबाउट दैट मे बी बेटर, बट मे बी नॉट. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट मी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट पर्टिकुलर. इफ आई हैव अ सिंगल सब्सक्राइबर, it's okay. If I have a 10 subscriber, it's okay. If I have a 100, 200, whatever, it's okay. I'm not going to hide that particular, because I believe on my content, because whatever I'm giving and the value, the value I'm providing, actually, that is the thing. So that's all about from my side. I hope you got the value. If you got the value from this video, please share this video to another people that may be a creator, that may be a viewers, so that they get aware from the content. I mean, we cannot judge actually, and you can hide as well. So that is all about. So as always, keep smiling, be happy, and one more thing is that be safe. And at the last, thank you so much.